Hello.
So far we
Yes, and as you can see right here, the Legos that you are seeing lying around, we can produce many designs and mechanisms. For example, such as this car that we have made, and with working mechanisms such as, for example, such as this worm gear and the rack and pinion.
Yes, but not actually. It's not only that. We can also, from this, we can also experience on how to construct a mechanism and experience how the mechanism actually works. For example, like this one's rack and pinion, we can visualize it clearly with our own eyes how it works from inside of the car. So it actually works like this, and yes, we can gain a lot from this Lego parts. Besides that, we can also do a lot of other design from our Lego parts, yeah, such as cranes, machines from the workshop, and many more. Yes.